Welcome back, friends. Today, we're going to talk a little bit about blending modes. Whenever you have two different images in Affinity Photo, you can blend them together. According to Affinity blend modes, determine how the layer or object's pixels blend with the pixels on the layer beneath. This is kind of a boring description. To me, the blending modes are like magic. I don't really understand what they do, but I sure like watching them do it. I'm going to give you several examples of how you can blend two different images together to achieve really cool effects. But first, if you could hit those like and subscribe buttons, I'll forever be in your debt. Here, I have an image of cracked glass. Below that, I have an image of this woman. I'll make sure that the top layer is selected and then click the blend mode drop down in the layers panel. Watch what happens when I scroll up and down to play with the different blend modes. I like several of the effects, but I think I'll go with hard light. It really cracks me up. Next, I have an image of another woman, and below her is an image of dried paint. I want to achieve an effect that makes the image look like a Renaissance painting. I think I'll go with multiply. Pretty cool, huh? A masterpiece, I would say. For my third example, I have a picture of lightning over a picture of a storm cloud. Let's put them together using the magic of Affinity Photo. Which blend mode do you like better? Screen or negation? I like them both. Next, I have an image that I painted over an old black and white Civil War photo. It kind of looks like a bad paint by numbers painting at first. But watch what happens when I use the right blending mode. The image really comes back to life. Here, I have a picture of a brick wall, and I've used my pen tool to draw a solid black shape over the top of it. There's a third image of a field below both of them. If I select the erase blend mode on the top layer, my wall now has a big hole in it. But you can't see the third image behind it. To reveal the bottom layer, I'll merge the top two together. Finally, I have this cool image of a fish in some coral. Underneath, I drew some rectangles with different colors on a bright green background. Watch how the different modes have different effects depending on the colors below it. I really like the exclusion effect. I might make a print of this and hang it on my wall. Well, that's it for today, class. Your homework assignment is to go out and play with blending modes. It's a lot of fun. Don't forget you can get lots of free images to work with at pixabay.com and pexels.com. Thanks again for joining me today. If you enjoyed today's content, please click those like and subscribe buttons below. Have a great day, everyone.